Welcome to another session of TIBCO Jaspersoft. This time we'll check more on TIBCO Jaspersoft and Cassandra data source. In this video, we'll see how to set up Cassandra database connection from application context web app.xml file. Usually what we do is we try to install the driver from the front end by providing the JDBC driver and the URL and just click on add driver. But this time what we'll do is we'll install the driver from the context file. But you can see that in this list of JDBC driver, you can see there is one Cassandra driver, but this driver is provided by Simba. So, but we'll now install a TIBCO based TIBCO-provided driver. So for that, what we have to do is we have to go to the web-inf lib folder. So inside the lib folder, we need to deploy TIBCO-provided Cassandra driver. So this is a TIBCO-provided Cassandra driver, and I'll just deploy it in the lib folder. Okay, so once it's deployed inside the lib folder, what we do is we have to edit application context web app.xml file. So here is the web app.xml file. So in this file, usually the drivers are listed inside the JDBC TIBCO connection map. So in this, you can see a list of all the drivers. So we are searching for Cassandra. So you can see there is a Cassandra driver here, but this is provided by Simba. And down, if you scroll more, you can see there is one more Cassandra driver, but this is commented out. But this doesn't have underscore Simba. So here you can see there is already a description of JDBC driver class and the value. So you just have to provide the JDBC driver. You don't have to make this file all of the new. So I just uncomment this line. So I just uncommented this line. So be careful that you don't, while commenting the line, you don't delete this angular brackets. Otherwise, it will just get into the error while you start the Jasper server application. So once you have done with this edit, you just have to save this file. Once you have saved this file, you just do a shutdown and startup of Jasper server. So as I go to Jasper server, so I'll just check if I get into it. So we'll just wait for Jasper server to start. Okay, now the Jasper server is started and we are on the create data source. So we are again selecting type as JDBC data source. And in the list of JDBC driver, you can see that there is one more driver added, that is from TIBCO software. So once you select this driver, you will be asked for the basic information, which is same as of the file. So you just have to provide the host name, the port number, which is where the Cassandra is being started, and the key space. So for my example, I have a key space known as store, and I have the credentials set. So I'll just click on test connection. I can see that there is a connection passed over here. So you can also refer to our guide, which is a server admin guide. So in this server admin guide, in A14.7 chapter, you can see enabling the TIBCO JDBC driver for Impala and Cassandra data source. So this is, they have given the example in the guide of Impala. So I have shown you the example of Cassandra. And this is more from starting from JasperReports Server 6.4. In the previous version of before 6.4, you will not find this option. And thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.